'Cause we're too shiny. I am Maui. Look at my shit. I haven't washed my hair. I haven't washed my hair yet from the swimming pool. And I need to, but I haven't yet. So, and I keep looking up here. Boom. I haven't washed my hair from the shower yet. I just tried to put it in something a little extra for our dinner reservations tonight. We're going to Joe's Crab Shack. I know that's a crazy place to have dinner reservations. Bam. I know that's a crazy place to have dinner reservations, but we want to eat there. And they actually, Jada, step back.
Yo. So check this out.
So we're just waiting on a little, either a putt-putt or a golf cart or the shuttle van to take us to our valet car, because this resort is just way too big for life. Look at that, guys.
Hey, watch out, watch out.
Life.
A car's coming.
Is it?
Yeah.
Look how cute my buckaroo looks.
And my shoes are on the wrong foot.
I know, but that's okay. You just got these sandals on because they're just easy to put on, huh, Bug? Let me see. Give me a cute pose, buckaroo. That's a cute. Give me a sassy one. Give me a sad one. Wait, y'all ain't gonna be able to see like that. Let's start all over because they ain't gonna be able to see. Okay, Jackie, Jada, give me your best pose. Now give me a.
Mommy, watch out, watch
Okay,
out.
give me a happy pose. Give me a happy pose, Jada. Give me a sad pose.
My tears are coming out, for real.
Huh?
My tears are coming out.
Are your tears coming out? Go, Jada. Go, 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 Jada. Go. Watch out. Watch out.
Oh, don't leave me.
Ooh, here comes the shuttle. Give me a hand. Give me a hand, buckaroo. The shuttle bus is coming. Hi, are you for us? I think so. Come on. Obviously, to our valet car. Where? To the front. Okay. Okay. You gonna sit there? I'm gonna sit here. Okay. No, sit right there, Bubby, so I can see you. It's red in here, I know.
So look at the red lights.
Hey.
Very nice. Very nice.
What? You want to take a picture with him? Huh? Is it all right? How? Okay, yeah. Jada. He got one leg. Come here.
Oh my God, you had to do that. You cut off the leg.
Let me see. Take a picture. Jackson, take a picture. Jada, look at mommy. Jada, 1, 2, 3. Jada, get down. 1, 2, 3. Jada. All right, come on. All right, come on. That's crazy. In Joe's Crab Shack, they got a playground.
Oh my God! Pirates go. Mama.
Where's Jada?
See you right here, ready? Glad you gonna see me back up there.
Jada? What are you doing? Jada, I can't see you.
Mama, come over here. Look at this. Right here.
Where?
Right here. It's like American. Come over here. American Ninja Warrior.
Where?
Look, I'm walking on the slide.
Alright, let me go up. Hold on. Oh. Ooh, I'm too old for this. Jada, go down it.
Until you start.
What?
I'm going to go American Ninja Warrior.
Ooh. Oh my God, Jackie. Be Jackson. That's not good with those flops on. Get down, buddy.
Yeah, I made it.
Okay, don't let your sister go in here either. Get down. Get down, Jackie. Do you know where you're going? No, let me do it. Jada. Jada, do you know where you're going tomorrow?
Disney World, Disneyland.
Do you know what that means, though? What? What does it mean? Huh? Do you actually know? Because you're too young, really, to go. I don't know why I'm taking you now, because you're not going to remember it. No, I'm just kidding. But Jada, do you know who you're going to see tomorrow? Who do you think?
Tinkerbell.
You think you're going to see Tinkerbell?
Yeah.
Is that who you want to see?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy, you said I can stare up the edge of the water. Yes, I
Look at it,
can.
Jessica, look at it.
I wish I could be the perfect mommy. But I wish I could be the perfect mommy. But I can't make
Okay, watch out. Okay, watch out, baby. Food time. Yeah, no, show me in a minute.
Mac and cheese for your...
This guy. Yep. Thank you. My son's mac and cheese. Oh, yes. Oh, Mamma Mia.
Where's mine? Where's mine?
Jada, hush.
Okay.
What in the world is this?
What is that?
What in the world? Jada, sit down, puppy. Would y'all get queen or snow? I don't know what it is. Okay, you got the best friend in the house. Wasn't it $36? Yeah, but y'all had 31. No, we had 29. So. Yeah, no, they don't even need no butter. I don't even know how to eat it. It's nice and good, but it's not I have to put the child down here. I think I just will get there.
Mommy, I need some water here now.
Okay. Just wait till you come back and ask nicely with your manners.
Mom, what is that?
Some crab, you want to taste?
Yeah?
It's yummy.
Where's the butter though?
It's coming.
Huh?
It's coming, Bob.
But how did you get it? Oh,
Here, look.
What did it taste like? What did it taste like? I don't want to. What did it taste like, Mom? What did it taste like, Mom? Is it chicken?
No. It's a chicken. Yummy.
I want you to the burger.
Is it good? She said it's a chicken. Is it yummy, Bug? Is it yummy? She said it doesn't have any taste. Okay.
It doesn't have any taste.
Why are you eating it?
It tastes like,
This?
it tastes like,
Ouch.
it tastes like lemon.
Ew. Potato. Yeah, eat some of your food first. Jada, come back over here and have a seat.
Alright, butter and garlic on the side. That way you can make it some garlicky as you like, okay?
Thank you. Please, use your manner.
What's up, honey? What do you say?
Can he please get a refill?
Of course. What did you have? Coke?
He had Coke and she had apple juice.
Okay, be right back.
Thank you. These hurt me, Riddy.
Mama, do you have your butter?
Yeah. Yeah.
Why is your butter? Where's your butter, Mom?
These hurt me. Ow.
Is your butter?
Jada, put it down.
That's your butter?
Yeah, I'm gonna get some. Don't worry. There's no pepper in any of these things. No.
Can you give me some? Can you give me some?
I want you to eat your food first.
I already ate my french fries.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Look. Mommy, I'm eating my french fries. Mommy, I'm eating my french fries.
Sorry, the lighting's bad, guys.
Have one. That's one. That's one.
Yeah.
Hey, can I have that too?
This is bomb. Ain't nothing in here, but what are these? Little ones?
Oh, Mommy, I found something.
Cause I don't know, Bubby. That's a king crab. I know it hurts too.
I see something. Why did you put it up?
Mama,
can you hold it? Mommy, there's something in here. Mommy, you should cut it. It's something. Look.
I know, baby.
It's something red.
Here, let me help you. This hurts my hand.
Mommy, can you give me?
Oh, get that out of there, Bubby. Watch out for your hand. It's prickly. We're taking y'all stuff home back to the hotel. I'm not playing. Yes, both for you and Jada.
No, just bubble coming out.
this, where the fingers come out.
Alright, here, ready?
Thank you.
My recommendation would be is to put some of the Old Bay in the actual butter container. Mix
Okay.
it up and then dip your crab in the Old Bay butter concoction with a little salt. That's me. I'm very weird when I eat stuff. I want it exactly how I want it.
Yeah, that's
I'm an
me.
over seasoner completely. If you think it's too much salt, put some more on there. Okay.
Okay.
And I'm gonna show you how to use these real quick because these are very strange. They don't come out very fast. So you're gonna flip this over and you're gonna go like that. You see how that comes out?
Oh yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You're very welcome.
That was kind of magic.
I know, right? Bam, dinner to show, right?
Mhm.
At your cheeseburger, if you ate all the fries and somebody shared some crab, lucky. Okay?
We'll probably take that back to the hotel because she's
They warm up just fine. It'll be okay.
Oh yeah, they do. Crab burgers.
Can I get anybody anything?
No, you're great. Thank you so much. Oh my God, so great.
Did you like it? Young, if you feel
It
like
just hurts. It hurts her to open. She said.
I guess
Once
maybe
it's
that's
open, it tastes so good.
I guess maybe that's one thing I can tell my customers. Well, it's the biggest, baddest crab for a reason. It's pokey.
Yeah, it hurts.
It tastes good, but you know,
It tastes really good.
pain is beauty. Like pain is deliciousness. I don't know. But you can always add on more crab if anybody still wants any. I think it's $9 for snow crab, which is going to be your cheapest add-on. So if you want to ship.
This was pretty amazing. Here, Andre.
This whole time?
Oh, something now, Andre.
When I was on this whole time?
Here, somebody open this for Jada. This hurts. Will you open this for Andre? I mean, will you open that for Jada?
Just gave him the most.
Yeah.
Well, that's a different type of meat burger.
Alright guys, I tried to eat it all. Uh-oh. Here go another one, Reedy. Found one. Alright, I ate almost all of it. Damn, what is this piece?
Jackson, that's enough stuff, bro.
Oh, it's all gone.